Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Andre. This is Kenny from RS Report right over here. Last night he hit me up and you said what?
Well, this quarantine stuff is all had us all sitting at home and we're just bored out of our minds. So we decided it's long overdue for us to go out on a drive. So we got a bunch of our friends out. I invited Andre because I know he's a really chill dude, and then he actually showed up, which was pretty.
What did I say? I said
exciting.
I can't promise you I'm gonna make it, but I can promise you I'm gonna try. So here we are, we made it.
Yeah.
Awesome. And we got the cops here, so we got to wrap it up already. But we're gonna be on our way out of here. We're gonna do some driving and have a good time today. You guys stay safe, enjoy the ride. Down here, you'll notice that the ACRE has a very, very low diffuser. And that's the part that scrapes all over the place. I'll tell you what. Hit it. Off. On. You feel the difference, right?
100%.
You call it the boost button. I like that. And it really is a boost button.
Yeah. But it's like a turbo, but you don't have to wait for the light. You just have.
It's just
right
instant,
there.
yeah.
It's instant. That's crazy.
That's so true. It's like a turbo minus the lag.
Yeah.
When you want it, you got it. So if you're racing somebody that you know you can probably beat without the nitrous, you're just gonna run NA. But then if you find someone that's kind of pulling on you, or you're hanging with them, and you decide you want to them up a little bit, you push the go baby go button. That's what it's all about, you know. And what I like about most is you don't have to use it all the time. You could use, you know, 600 wheel horsepower if you're at the racetrack at Willow Springs. But once you pass turn 9 at Willow Springs, you get a long straightaway that you can really enjoy the power of the nitrous. So that's why I like it more so than, you know, a full-time 900 horsepower or 1100 horsepower supercharged Viper. It's because that power is not useful at the racetrack. You can't do anything with it. You park yourself in a parking lot and you talk about your horsepower. That's not fun. What's fun is putting the power to the ground, and this is what you can do with nitrous, so that's why I love it so much. Let me do a first gear pull with you. I haven't done that yet.
Oh, yes. I was gonna attempt to film it, but it just flew out of my hand, so I held onto the GoPro for dear life.
At least you got the content.
Oh yeah. God.
Yeah, we went in the air. And for those of you guys that have watched my previous video about, well, not previous, but in the past video about why I hate the ACR, it's because of that loud gunk you guys just heard. We literally bottomed out on a baby jump on the freeway only because we were going 65 miles an hour, you know? It happens, you know, it happens. So I hope we didn't bust my rear diffuser, but if we did, I guess about 8K, but it's okay, we'll get another one on there. But anyway, guys, so that's what I hate about the ACR the most, is that damn diffuser in the back that's so low. It looks great, but it always scrapes everywhere and you can't beat it. You're always gonna get screwed with it, so it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. So I just gave him a ride with nitrous. What's your reaction?
My heart skipped like 10 beats. I forgot to breathe. It's so damn fast.
You know, the consensus with people that I give rides is that they forget to breathe and their heart just sinks.
I felt my soul leave my body.
What did you just say? The camera couldn't hear you.
I literally felt my soul leave my body. I'm out of breath.
So I guess it's unanimous across the board so far. Here, hold this. Okay. Let's see if we can make you skip a beat again. Okay. We're gonna go second gear this time. Oh no. Okay.
Just kidding.
Hey, this was your idea, not mine.
This was amazing.
This was your idea, not mine.
God, ride of a lifetime. It's only been like 10 minutes and I've already had like 3 near-death experiences. God, Andre, thank you so much.
Of course, man. Thanks for the invite. Thanks for the invite.
You're amazing.
So he hit me up last night. It was like, I don't know, 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. And I told him I'm not going to promise I can make it because that shit going on today. But, you know, he's a good guy. We met once before. And I really, really appreciate what he does for the car community. The exhaust exits the side over here. But could you imagine the damn headache the passenger gets? What makes it more complicated is if you ever take the car out with friends, it's very difficult to hear the passenger and you having a conversation because it's so damn loud. All right, guys, so that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed Kenny's company and I'm very, very happy he invited me out today. Although I didn't promise you I could make it, I did promise you I'll try my best. So that's what I did. I was able to shuffle around some appointments this morning and make it out to his cruise this morning. And when I got to the meetup spot, he asked if he could jump in my car. So absolutely, if my passenger seat is free, I would love to have you as my co-pilot. Getting your reaction is priceless to me. And your reaction was, it is the fastest car you have ever been in. And that's flattering to me, being that I actually built this thing myself. I installed all the mods myself. And then I took it over to my tuning shop and they tuned it for me. But the labor on the car was done by yours truly. And it's flattering to hear that this is the fastest car that Kenny's ever been in, because Kenny does reviews on fast cars. He reviews cars that are exotics, garage builds, enthusiast cars, supercars, whatever type of car you have, Kenny loves reviewing them. So check out his Instagram. You'll see some cool reviews on there. I'm sure you'll see my car in a review as well pretty soon once he gets some content together. But I want to thank you for having me out, Kenny. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, like the video, share with your friends, and for me what's important is comment below. Why do I say comment below? Because I do my giveaways based on engagement. If I see yourself commenting on all of my videos and your username stands out to me as a repeat, you're likely to win a giveaway. I'm not going to go pick some random person because that random person could be a one-time stop and shop. But in any event, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're loving the channel. Please comment below. I read them all. I respond to most. As many of you guys have noticed, I respond to many of my DMs on Instagram too. So follow me on Instagram, comment below. Let's grow this channel together. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day. Ciao.